Hey, yo, what's up, man? Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? I'm kind of behind right now. I'm going to use some of my, I meant to do this, I meant to do this already, but I apologize. It's just my well, I don't have poor time management. It's just that I just didn't take the time to do this beforehand. So that's my fault. So I'm gonna get me a Tradeify select account. I thought about shit, I might actually. I thought about taking advantage of the Lightning Fund account that they got going on. But I don't want to pay $200 for a 50K account, regardless if it's a straight to funded. If I'm gonna pay $200, I might as well just pay for a bigger account. And if I'm going to trade silver in it, then I'm gonna need the bigger account. And the rules, I'm going to trade the 50, one contract. There's no restriction, I don't think. I don't think that they have a restriction. And this could have been a good trade. See, the trades always work when you're not in it. And I'm going to select the daily payouts. Yeah, there's no daily loss limit in this account. All right, man. This would have been a great trade for would have been a great trade. You know what I mean? All right. I do plan on going so if we do see a pullback here, I do plan on getting long right here. Right here at this 50, right at that pullback. I do plan on getting long right there. Man, of course, man, of course. Yep. You grabbed the Lucid Pro? Nice. You said top one? So Investor Z. Man, damn it. And look at that, man. Look at that. The only reason why I wouldn't consider top one is because of the only reason why I wouldn't consider them is because of what they did. I forgot I think his name is BPC Trades, I believe his name is. Forgive me if I got his name wrong, but he put out a video that he was trading with top one. I guess he broke one of their rules, I guess. And they took away the profits that he made. And I mean, they let him do it. They let him get to the point to where he requested a payout. I think he requested like 10K or something like that. And they took away his profits. They denied his payout, and on top of that, they took away his profits. And of course, he blew that shit up. And once I saw that, any firm that takes away your profits, I don't do business with them, because they know they know good and damn well what that will do to a trader, emotionally, psychologically, and I don't do business with firms like that. Now, I mean, I understand they all do it, but just taking away the profits because of a rule. I mean, deny the payout, but taking away the profits, you already know what's going to happen. And when he was making the video, I was like, yeah, he's going to blow the account. Not because he's a bad trader, but because I put myself in his position, and I would be furious. I would want revenge on the firm that was like, oh shit, they didn't want to pay me 10K, so now I'm gonna make them pay 20. And we all know where that leads. We all know that nothing is enough. You get the 20K, it's like, nah, let's make them pay 30. And then you'll eventually blow the account up. So, and unfortunately, that's what happened. So, yeah, they had like a rule where, like if you broke like I forgot what rule it was. This was so long ago. It's probably, I forgot when. I just remember the video. Actually, let me see if I can find it. I'll post it in the link and post it in the chat, and y'all guys can watch it for yourself. But yeah, once I saw that, I was like, yeah, top one is on my do not do business list. Yeah, it says 10K payout. You got denied. And let me just post this in the chat. And I mean, I already know the game that these firms like to play. They say, yeah, it's your fault. You broke the rules. It's your fault. But nobody wants to hear that shit when it's time to get paid out. I mean, making 10K is already difficult as it is. But then once you get to the finish line, and then somebody tells you that, oh, I mean, yeah, you made it to the finish line, but unfortunately, you broke a rule. So we're gonna. Well, I mean, I mean, in that situation, yeah, but in trading, yeah, you don't want to hear that. So it's already stressful enough. All right, so the rule for this account is that I just trade the 50. I would have got paid in this move right here. I'm only going to trade one contract per trade. I mean, I mean, as long as my setup presents itself, I can take the trade. If my setup does not present itself, then I am not allowed to take the trade. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yep. Yeah, the psychology in a personal account is so different. It is so different. You're not trading to meet a quota. You're trading to, trade. You're not worried about a consistency rule, which I mean, it can be a double-edged sword depending on who you are and how you and what you want to accomplish in this market. You say you're better. Yeah, yeah, and I believe that because Um, all right. So if we get a breakout, I'm gonna come back and trade the pullback. I'm not gonna do what I did yesterday. Do see that there's a high right here, so I'm gonna keep my eyes out for that high. All right. Yeah, they got a bunch of liquidity sitting at 73.5. Yeah, right there at that high. They got a bunch of liquidity sitting at that high. So you said it didn't take you said your 50 is at 73.065. Yeah, I didn't have that one marked out. Honestly, I'm using this one is from earlier this week. So this range I'm using is from earlier this week, and it seems like they're still using it. So usually what I do is I'll keep them on the chart until they start to disrespect it and they no longer use it. So you can see that they're still rejecting off of this one, bouncing. Uh, and you said that there's a probably imbalance above this one right here. Yeah, I don't have it marked out. You're enjoying the 50K? I mean, my bad, not the 50K, the 300K. Well, I mean, the idea is, oh shit, let me look at gold real quick before we stare into. Well, I mean, I was able to make some money in my funded account. I'm happy about that. Um, Yeah, we might actually see a drop in silver. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And Santiago said 70. So I'm gonna mark it on the chart real quick. 73.65 is where Santiago has his 50. 73.65. Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? Okay, 73.65. All right. You said there's a 1 hour gap above. Hmm. Is that where? Let me see, because that price action looks familiar. Hmm. You know, the crazy thing is, I was looking for this yesterday, and I missed this trade. I just flat out missed it. Mm. All right, looks like it's testing Santiago's 50. It's testing Santiago's. You said the 1 hour. You said 73.815. 73.815. Okay. Oh, actually, I think I have a. Oh, is there a consistency rule? Forgot. I think it's what you have to trade like at least 2 days or something like that. Let me make sure. Okay, so yeah, I got a trade for. Okay, I got a trade for at least 3 days. So let me see. Let me see how much money I have to make. 40%. 9,000 times. So I gotta make 3,000 per day, which could be easily done. But undone by himself. Right. All right, we'll see if we get this we'll see if we get this area right here. If it sweeps the liquidity above that little pivot high. I mean, honestly, as long as it touched that 50, almost messed up there. 55, 50, almost messed up there. I mean, I really like this indicator. I just hate the fact that it doesn't tell you where that 50% mark is. That's the only thing that would just make this indicator absolutely perfect. Mother. Mm. 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 It's a it's a what is this? It's in the NinjaTrader Marketplace. It's called the oh shit, they don't the rectangle 50% level in text. I said I have it to display in the data box, but that shit never displays in the data box. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me make sure. Let me try this one more time. Yeah, it don't display nothing in the data box. I don't even know why I even asked me that. Oh, yeah. A lot of the tools for NinjaTrader 8 don't work on Tradeovate. Hmm. Yep. And the rule is that I take the trades at the 50% in all trades. Because last night, man, I missed so many good trades because I was like, man, I don't know. I mean, I got stopped out as I was back testing. I would have been stopped out of a few trades, maybe. Maybe. I mean, I did get stopped out of this trade right here, which pissed me off. But after that sweep right there, I could have re-entered, and I would have caught this entire move down. But just sucked that it just stopped me out for no damn reason. Well, I guess it was for a reason. I guess. All right, so let's see. Let's see. You said it retapped. Yeah, that line right there. Hmm. You said this may be the dump. That's why you have 4 longs. So better see it. Hmm. Well, let me look at gold real quick, cause. Okay. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh damn. Damn it. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, never mind. All right, we're in. Let's see if silver will be nice to me here, not stop me out and go. Yeah, potentially. I'm looking at gold right now, and yeah, looks like the bears are trying to sell this thing, but I don't think the bears are no longer in control. We got that big drop, and price has now it swept the liquidity underneath that low at around 5 o'clock this morning, and we've been pushing higher ever since. So I don't think the bulls or the bears are no longer in control. They are definitely trying to sell this thing, but I don't think they'll be successful. Come on, silver, don't be nasty here. Okay. Wow. Damn it. Guess I wasn't fast enough. Mm. Oh, come on, Silver. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Well, mm, okay. Well, I had the money. I had it. I guess I should have trailed my stop in this situation. Okay. Should have trailed my stop in this situation. Man. Mm, mm. Mm. So what was the point of that, Silver? What was the point of that? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. All right, dude. All right. My God, dude. The fuck. Okay. All right, man. All right. Okay. Yeah. I feel like silver is gonna drop, and whatever, man. Whatever. 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 72.15. Shit, that's at the top of my range. Yeah, I mean that's what I was looking for, Santiago. I don't know why dude, I really don't know why it did that shit. Mm, okay. This short, this is what pisses me off the most. That's what pisses me off the most. Why the hell did it have to come back and stop me out? I could have been a part of this shit. I don't know, man. That kind of shit pisses me off, man. Just pisses me off, man. They stop me out short just to. Ah, man. All right, so what happened here? Hmm, what happened here? It just rejected from the edge of the range. Hmm. So you're in long right now? Okay. I mean, it looks good, Santiago. It looks good. I guess the market is leaving an area of supply, and I guess that's something that I have to take into consideration next time. It is leaving supply. I just didn't think that I guess it is bearish. Okay, let's see. Dang. Looks like this thing doesn't want to respect nothing today. As crazy as this sounds, as bearish as it is, the CVD just turned positive. The buying has now outweighed the selling just by a little bit. We just turned positive. Looks like we got a wall of liquidity right here. A wall of sell orders right here trying to sell this thing back down. Mm, mm. That's what I'm saying, Santiago. Push this damn thing. I mean, there's a wall of orders sitting right here. So hopefully they can push through this. Yeah, it looks like they will. But I don't like the fact that that 21 EMA is right there. Mm, mm. Can't do that. Come on, Silver. You can do this. Come on, Silver. Run them damn stops. Run them buy stops. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Run them buy stops, baby. There we fucking go, baby. Let's go. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna trail this one. I'm gonna trail that stop just in case it comes back on me. All right. My fucking God, dude. All right. Eh, I mean, I think it's gonna go to the 50 at least, right? I think it's gonna try to go for that 50. At least try to go for the 50. You say you're up 1,700? Yo, congratulations on that. Mm. I don't want to trail it too tight because I don't want to get stopped out on this, and I have to try to look for a re-entry. I really don't know where this thing wants to drop or where it really wants to go. Mm. So, I mean, I'm gonna kind of front run this 50 level. I'm gonna front run it as much as possible. I really don't know where this thing wants to go. Yep. This is why I didn't want to get a 50K account with this with trading silver. I didn't want to spend $200 on a 50K account. I'm talking about Tradeify doing like a 50% discount on their straight to funded accounts. I could have got one for gold, but I already got enough accounts for gold. I don't need any more. If I'm gonna spend $200, it needs to be an account for silver. Mm. I mean, if this thing comes crashing back down, I'm giving up 2K. And that is a range. The one thing that I have to really like, it's just so hard to break out of that Nasdaq shell. Like when I look at ranges on other instruments, it doesn't register to me that I should try to take some profits at these levels. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna have to look for probably a re-entry. Okay. I mean, if it comes back and stop me, I'm gonna have to look for a re-entry somewhere. Hopefully it doesn't. Actually, let me just. Well, no, I need to know how much I'm up. Okay, I'm up 71 ticks right now. Hmm. You say you're already in profit and you trailed your stop. Yeah. With silver, I mean, it's really. I mean, honestly, at any point in time, you can take your profits. It really, if you're trading the minis, you can take your profits at any time. I mean, as long as price is above your break even, you're up a decent amount of money. All right, how many ticks am I going for here? And this is why I'm just going to just trade the 50 because I think even though at first this thing was pissing me off and I made several mistakes, this is kind of giving me confidence that this can work. That trading, so being profitable in silver can work. This is giving me the confidence that this can work. Because I made several mistakes, man. I traded outside of my system, out of my rules, and one trade got me back. One trade got me back. This can work. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, that's all we can do is follow the rules, right? That's all we can do. Okay. Yeah, I guess I should have taken it at the guess I should have taken it at the that range right there. But I'm not out of it yet. I'm trailing it. As long as it doesn't cross this little pivot low right here. I'm good. Okay. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I won't be trading my funded accounts tomorrow. I think what tomorrow's like what the last. Well, we'll see. I mean, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's a half day, right? With these firms. If tomorrow's a half day, I won't trade my account, my funded accounts. If it's a half day. All right. Well, I mean, the range was right there. It was pretty obvious. I should have just taken it, but you know how that should go. All right, let me see if I can try it one more time. At this 50. All right, it's the market going down now. Okay, so it looks like the market's going down. Okay. All right, we'll see. The market's closed tomorrow? Oh, the market, shit. I didn't know that. That's why I hate holidays, man. I hate holidays. I hate holidays. Well, I guess that answers my questions. I guess I won't be trading my funded accounts, regardless if I wanted to or not. Yeah, moving forward, the only accounts that I will be paying for are accounts where I can safely trade silver. Damn it. Oh, tonight is New Year's. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Slipped my mind. Oh shit, look at that, dude. Look at that. Mm. I mean, you can do it on evals, you just can't do it on. You can't do it on. The CVD is now back to being negative. So it looks like the buyers just got absorbed. Uh, okay, so let's see if we can stay in this trade without silver being nasty here. Cool. I guess technically it did run that low, but okay. All right, yeah. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I guess technically it did run that low. Mm. But I don't think that's a strong low though. I don't think that's a strong low. You're getting 250Ks? That's shit. That's the goal right there, Tony. That is definitely the goal. Shit, that's what I'm trying to do now. Just completely supplement my lifestyle through my payouts. And so the career money is just you can just stack that shit up. Watch your account balance grow. When you start to see money in your account, you begin to start to dream like, man, what can I do with this money? When you have more money than what exceeds your normal lifestyle, you begin to think like, man, or at least some people begin to dream about possibilities like, huh, what can I do with this money? Should I start a business? Should I do this or should I do that? Mm. One thing is definitely for sure, the more money you get, the more purposeful you have to be. You have to be what is it for a lamp? Damn it, a philanthropist. Did I say that word right? A philanthropist. Anyway, you have to live with purpose, or you'll just spiral. That's what billionaires have taught me. They don't do these charity work because it was something that's on their bucket list before they go. It's the only thing that brings meaning to their lives by helping people that are less fortunate than themselves. All right, Silver. I mean, if you're gonna be nasty, damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. Hopefully, I just didn't put myself in the same situation. Damn it. Mm. Come on, Silver. Come on, Silver. Come on, Silver. Come on, Silver. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Mm. Come on, Silver. With the BS. All right. Well, like I guess. Okay. Yeah. No, I can't do that. All right, Silver, you don't have to be nasty here. You can just drop. You said the imbalance low on NQ has been hit. Are you in that trade investor Z? Hold on, my bad. Yeah, I found that very interesting too. Well, I mean, well, I didn't find it interesting. I found it more to be expected. To be expected. There's no money in a cure for cancer and stuff like that. Here's the crazy thing is, if they were to release a cure for cancer or for HIV or whatever, you know that would actually cost a lot of jobs. You wouldn't need a lot of the nurses or caretakers anymore. That would disrupt the workforce because a lot of the doctors, nurses, they just won't be needed, especially in specialty hospitals that specialize in these types of treatment. Uh, it would disrupt the job market if they did that. As crazy as that sounds. So if they found a cure, they said, well, we can just treat you. Uh, vindicate me, damn it. I'll take one off and just leave one to run. Just in case this thing wants to be nasty to me here. But I'm not going to let this thing come back, though. Damn it. Should have took both of them. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Silver. Stop bouncing. Damn it. Yeah, I can't let this thing go back negative on me. I can't allow that. Oh, really? Yeah, Santiago, I got back in short. I was up like 2K and didn't take the profits. Looks like they double bottom at these lows. So maybe it's time for the longs. Maybe it's time for the longs because they now if silver if silver is going to be nasty to me here, I'm gonna be highly upset. I guess not really, but Damn, silver. Like, god damn, dude. Mm, mm. I think silver might be nasty to me here and drop. We'll see what happens at this level. All right, let me look at this. They break above, they take the liquidity, they bounce, they break, they fail. Okay. I guess I might as well go for the longs then. Because I don't think they got it in them. Now, if this thing does drop after all of that bull crap, man. Man, I feel like this thing wants to continue to drop. Ugh. But we did get a double bottom from that low. This does look like a bear trap. This might be a bear trap underneath that low. And all right, dude. God damn, dude. God. Okay. All right. So buy stops. They just, man. Okay. Let's see. If it hits that target, I'll just be done for the day. I'll be done. I'll be done for the day. I'm kind of yikes. Okay. Silver is definitely giving me a hard time. It's definitely giving me a hard time today. Definitely giving me a hard time. Okay. Damn. 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 Oh, where's the disconnect at? Oh shit. Wow. Stupid mistakes. I just made a stupid mistake. Damn. Okay. I would have already been done on this one. All right. What did I have my Please, Silver, don't punish me for the stupid mistake that I just made. Mm. Please just hit that target again. I know you were already there. Can't believe I made a stupid mistake, man. Thanks. I'll take that. All right, man. I'm done. I'll accept that. I'll accept that. I'll accept that. Man, an emotional roller coaster. Emotional roller coaster for sure. Okay. Well, honestly, there was nothing emotional about it. It was just well, I guess frustration is an emotion. Yeah, yeah. Let me copy this. It was on my chart. It was an old range. I just took a chance at it, honestly. It was an old range and it hit the 50. So I just took a chance at it. I was like, well, mm, I'm just glad it worked. All right. Let me make sure all my orders are canceled. Have some of those invisible orders that didn't get filled. Fill me. I'm done in this account. I almost blew it. Uh, but that gives me the confidence. That gives me more confidence that um, all it takes is one good trade on silver to bring it all back. And I wasn't perfect either. I was not perfect. I made a lot of mistakes today. A lot of emotional and executional mistakes today. And I was still able to come back and bring the account for the first day. So as long as I stay, as long as I trade within my rules, I should be good. Something that I'm gonna have to kind of figure out because, well, I mean, I guess technically we didn't get a break of structure right here, but I mean, technically, if I would have gotten short here for the retest, it would have stopped me out. I would have got stopped out by a couple of ticks. I don't want to go to 27 ticks, but I don't want to go to 27 ticks, but I may have to. If during my back testing, I see that during certain times of volatility that 18 ticks are getting stopped out of winning trades, I might have to just accept the extra bit of risk. The mother boxes. Yeah, if I got in right here, this thing would have came back and stopped me out to go in my direction. Um, I'm going to be trading in the sim for the rest of the stream. That doesn't mean that I will be taking trades that I wouldn't normally take though. But obviously, I'm not going to be managing them as if they were regular trades. That's the only difference between how I trade in the sim and a regular account is how I really manage them. That's it. Mm. And so I do get pissed off if I get stopped in the sim because I'm thinking like, oh shit, I mean, I would have taken that trade. Now, if I'm taking a super risky trade that I wouldn't normally take in a live account or an eval or whatever, then I mean, yeah, I'll kind of say that I'm taking a risky trade, but for the most part, I try to take trades as close to the trades that I would take in a regular account as much as possible. Oh, you missed it? Yeah. Slowly but surely, I'm beginning to accept that, Santiago. Slowly but surely. So it would have just stopped me out here. Okay. Okay. I mean, I don't necessarily only have to take silver trades in that account, but if I see no, I got gold accounts. I don't need to take a silver and gold trades in that same account. Okay, so if they break this, that means that if we get a break of this structure right here, if we get a break of this low, I'm gonna come back and short that. Oof. Oof. Uh, oof. Search. Yeah, that's definitely true. 800 bucks. I mean, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, like I kind of want to make it. Well, hmm. That's what I want, Santiago. I just want to take one trade per day. That's what I want. Uh, it made that happen that way though. Especially with this account. Uh, I'm gonna try not. I mean, I'm gonna try to not trade out. Well, either I'm gonna do it or not. So I mean, there is no try, right? Either you're gonna do it or not. Uh, yeah, that's definitely true. Well, I mean, technically, it didn't really take this low out. Technically, dang, silver is the only one that's moving today. What the hell is up with that? Look at gold just chopping around. You said the ES and Nasdaq is moving in a tight range. Well, I guess we'll see. Yeah, yeah, I see that. Nasdaq, ES, yeah, yeah. They both got the same algo on apparently. They're both using the same algo to make their trades to deliver price apparently. And that's another bad habit I gotta break out of. Either this shit gonna work or it's not gonna work. So he's coming back on Friday, Santiago. Friday will be the first trading. I think we also have. Oh no, not yeah. Maybe not. Maybe they'll do the second week. We're supposed to have non-farm payroll, but they'll probably do it the second week of January, not the first. Next Monday. Mm. Yeah, I'm only gonna be trading evals on Friday. I'm not even gonna trade the select account on Friday. Or maybe. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna be trading this account. I'm going to trade. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I don't like doing that. Don't like doing it. I don't like it. I'm a trader, damn it. Now, I will compromise and I won't trade a funded account because if I lose money on a funded account, then I have to wait all the way to Sunday to or Monday to get my money back. So Thursdays are usually the last day that I trade my funded account. And depending if it's a win or loss, I'll probably come in on Friday to try to get my money. Well, hmm, hmm, no, no, no. If I lose on Thursday, I'm just have to accept that. Yeah. And that is true, Cave Trader. That's definitely true. I did break my rule on I did break my rule on this account though. I saw a setup on silver and I took it. I made money, but I wasn't supposed to trade silver in this account. This is a gold account. And I'm not proud of that. So oh yeah, they don't got SIO. The mother boxes. Okay. So I won't do that again. Or I'm gonna try not. Well, god damn it. That try word, right? Like I said, I was profitable. I saw the setup and I took it, but I wasn't supposed to do that. Not in this account. Not in that account. Damn, New Year's is actually tonight. Hmm. I don't got nothing planned. Hmm. Hmm. That's interesting. Why didn't show up the first time? All right, so let's see if this one will work. I guess it has to line up with market structure because I'm gonna have to probably start taking data on that. I guess I'll just keep trying. Mhm. Yeah, nothing seems to work. Let me try to get it back. And then once you've blown the account, that's when your setups magically start to work. As crazy as that sounds. All your setups magically start to work. Kind of like that day where I just, for whatever reason, I was having a hard time finding a good trade in silver. I blew my Tradeify account. Then literally at the end of the stream, after I blew the account, the setup presented itself perfectly. Couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. Yeah, yeah. Silver's definitely been nasty lately, man. I just like the one thing that I hate the most right now about what's happening in silver is that I start trading it, I find something that it does consistently, and then all of a sudden, it still kind of does it, but then it's liquidity hunting now. You can see the wicks. Like this market is liquidity hunting now, harder than usual. Like it's just liquidity hunting. I mean, well, I mean, I guess technically, if you that's a double top, but usually you don't see this. You kind of see it be tick perfect, but now it's digging deeper into supply and demand now, which is, I mean, I guess. Hold on, guys. Well, give me a second. Hey, give me 1 second. All right. All right. All right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. I hope everybody enjoys their New Year's tonight. Enjoy your family. Enjoy the holidays. Try not to blow up your hands because you're going to need that for trading. I've spoken to a lot of nurses, and they've all said the same thing. People get drunk. They don't even feel that they no longer. Well, I guess technically you kind of will feel it, but they're so drunk they don't realize that they don't no longer have their fingers, their hands, or whatever. We need our fingers to. We need our hands and fingers to trade, and we only get one set of them, so protect them at all cost. But we'll definitely come back on Friday morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good New Year's, and keep on jabbing.